Good morning, friends. Welcome to another video episode where I will be covering 10 basic JavaScript interview questions. Where I will be covering very important basic JavaScripts which will be asked in interviews. So, what is JavaScript? First of all, understand what is JavaScript, right? JavaScript is a lightweight interpreted programming language, right? Basically, uh, this scripting is very lightweight, means it is not very heavy for the processing, all those things. It is very simple, and this scripts is open and cross-platform. That means you can use it in any platform. It could be Linux, or it could be Windows, or it could be iOS. You can be used in any of these platforms, right? And normally these JavaScripts will be used in the network centric applications. So in the interview they may ask something like this, right? And you should be able to give some background what is all about JavaScript. Basically 3 points: lightweight interpretation programming language, and it is open source and across class platform, and normally it will be used in network centered applications. The second question is, they may ask, okay, what is the benefit out of JavaScripts, or what is advantages of a JavaScript? The advantages of JavaScripts are, I have just listed three, and you can do some more research, right? So basically, JavaScript are used when there is a requirement of doing a front-end validation, right? Let's say, for example, you wanted to give a user password as the 8 characters, and if someone enter 6 characters, all the validations you can do at the front end itself. Means you can give a message to the end user that you are not valid entered 8 characters, or whether uppercase or lowercase, all the validations you can get it done at the front end itself at and all these validation, whether it is 6 characters or 8 characters, you need not send to the server for the validation, right? It can be done at the front end as well, at the browser level as itself. So all the validation we do it on the browser level is called client side validation and client side JavaScripts. And JavaScripts will be used more in the rich GUI interfaces, and for user-friendly interaction, where we'll be using JavaScript more effectively, right? And let's move on to next question. So, what are the limitations of a JavaScript? So, basically, JavaScript is not a complete programming language, and it is having its own limitations, right? The very important limitation is lack of multi-threading or multiprocessor capabilities, right? It cannot handle spawning threads or doing multiple tasks at the same time. It cannot be done, and it cannot be used for network applications, right? So these are the two important limitations in the JavaScript. Okay, now let's move on to the fourth question. Then normally, as I said, this will be used both mostly in internet applications, right? Network centric application, which is internet based application, where HTML pages where we'll be having it and we'll be using there, and scripts to be placed, like JavaScript's code would start something like this, right? A script and tag, and then where you'll be writing JavaScript code and end with the script. Normally, this section of the code will be used in header section of an HTML page, right? HTML page. The fifth question is, which are the two important attributes text in the script tab? So basically whatever the uh, attributes which can go around is script language. Script a language is one attribute, and type is another attribute. So these are the type is, it could be text or language, which is a JavaScript. These are the two important attributes used in the JavaScript. Right? I think we should remember this. Right? How to prepare simple allo program. So basically, if you wanted to write something on the HTML file, you can use document.write and closed with double parenthesis helloworld.com. Right? Um, you can write it in this manner with document.write. The seventh question is JavaScript is case sensitive language? Yes, it is. The words with small character completely test and completely which are case sensitive here, or it could be even capital T, small e, st is also case sensitive. So hence whatever the keywords or variables, anything used in the JavaScript are all case sensitive keywords. And eighth question is, what are the three primitive data types in JavaScript used in JavaScript? Means these are very important and primary data types in Java scripts. One is number. The number can be 1 or 1.5, which is decimal. String can be anything which are in double quotes. Boolean variable is either it is a true or false. So these are the three very basic data types used in JavaScripts. So why JavaScript is called as an untyped language, which is ninth question. JavaScript language variables can hold any data types, hence it is called as an untyped language. Basically, the variable which is defined or data type, it can hold any type of data. So hence it is called untyped language. And the last question is, what is an event in JavaScript? During page loads, so especially let's say when you are opening this interview.com, when it get loads, so that is, we call it as an event. Or if you do selection of this text, this is also an event. Or click on a checkbox, that is also an event here, and press in any keyword, which is also an event in the JavaScript. I think I have come across to the end of the 10th questions. So if you are liked this video and you wanted to get more interview questions with answers on the topic you would like to study, please comment it. And if you wanted to share with your friends for their benefits as well for preparing the interviews, you can please share them. And if you like this video, do not forget to like, and to get more videos into your inbox, subscribe to InterviewQUE channel. Thanks for joining, and have a nice day, and see you until to the next video. Thank you.